Think about the last time you ordered something online. Maybe it was a package of coffee, a replacement part, or even your luggage being routed at the airport. Behind the scenes, that item traveled on conveyors, through packaging systems, or across baggage lines, all moving in perfect rhythm. But here's the question: what keeps that rhythm precise? In modern manufacturing, precision isn't just nice to have, it's survival. From warehouses to packaging lines to high-speed printing presses, everything must move faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Labor costs are rising. Energy costs are rising. Customers expect speed and accuracy. And yet, all of this depends on something most people never think about: a rotary encoder. Encoders are the unsung heroes of automation. They tell machines exactly where they are, how fast they're moving, and when to act. Without them, conveyors would misplace products, packaging machines would miss cuts, and print systems would smear images. That's why Encoder Products Company developed the TRP Tru-TracPro high-resolution encoder, a device that redefines linear measurement feedback. Imagine a conveyor belt in a packaging plant. As a labeler applies a barcode, the Tru-TracPro ensures the belt's position is tracked down to the millimeter, so that label lands exactly where it should. In a printing facility, as sheets move at lightning speed, the encoder synchronizes every pulse with print resolution, keeping text crisp and images perfectly aligned. And in airports, where baggage systems handle thousands of bags per hour, encoders provide the reliable feedback needed to keep each suitcase moving to the right destination. What sets the Tru-TracPro apart is simplicity and versatility. It combines an encoder, a measuring wheel, and a torsion arm into one compact, durable package. It's programmable, so installers can fine-tune resolution on-site. It's adaptable, whether surface-mounted, shaft-mounted, or integrated into harsh environments like overhead conveyors. This isn't just a sensor. It's a productivity multiplier. So the next time you see a package arrive on your doorstep, or a beautifully printed magazine, or a perfectly sorted suitcase, remember, precision like that doesn't happen by chance. It happens because of hidden heroes like the Tru-TracPro. And if we want the future of manufacturing to be smarter, faster, and more efficient, it starts with precision in motion.